Hi, I'm Jake Raven. This is my friend Vito the gorilla. Say hi.
Ooh.
Yeah. And he's going to be doing gorilla stuff for bananas.
I want some bananas! Who's got bananas? I come from Africa. That's why I'm black. Do you have any bananas?
I have a granola bar.
Banana flavored?
It's peanut butter flavored. Do you like granola bars too, or just bananas?
Just bananas.
I'm sorry.
Maybe next time. Hi.
He's on the phone. Wow.
Let's go look at the children down the street. Children! You got bananas? If you don't got bananas, get the hell out of the way. That's hard, goddammit.
Ew, that's gross. That banana was up before. Is he eating it? No, he isn't. Shoot him! Shoot him!
Shoot, what the? That's why I left Africa.
That's it. That's so bad. What the heck?
I guess he's going back home. No.
He took off his shoes. Shoot him.
Yeah, he is. Alright, well, bye.
We have to protect his mother now.
He didn't like it.
So, down the street, we make a right on tap, and I found some bananas.
Well, that was an old banana that he had.
Oh, damn.
Do you have banana?